attractive. I get everything I want cause I attract it. Looking at my phone, but I'm trying to just.
Hey y'all, turn this down. We on our way to Panera Bread. My son is going to treat me to a smoothie. What kind of smoothie is it again?
It was a green passion smoothie.
A green passion smoothie. Yeah. I just got done working out. I had a great workout. I had to change my shirt, but I'm gonna take my shower when I come back. Yay. It was a great workout. I'll show you the picture of my shirt. It was so sweaty. So we'll be right back. We're going to Panera Bread. Hey y'all. So I'm doing my fetch rewards. Y'all can see. I'm gonna scan my receipt. This is from, where's this from? This is from Dunkin' Donuts. If y'all can see. Merchant name. I gotta write the merchant name because it didn't get it. Confirm. It says my receipt is loading. I got 25 points for that. Now I'm gonna get my other receipt. Hold on. I already scanned that Dave & Buster one. That's another receipt right there. So this is for roses right here. Lay it flat. To snap another button. Automatically seen that one. Justin. Tell Justin to give me those other receipts he got. Can you give me those receipts you got for today? Don't. Where they at? I want. Where?
Crumpled up. They're in the trash.
Oh, outside.
Outside? No, I threw them in the trash.
I need them for my fetch reward. You got to keep the receipt so I can do it for my fetch rewards. Yeah, get points for that stuff. So now it's checking my e-receipts. And let's see what I got with the e-receipts. Don't put it out on the floor. Don't put my pocketbook on the floor. Bad luck.
How?
No e-receipts found. All right, so I got to, whenever I buy something online, it'll scan my own e-receipts too. So this is my code for fetch reward. This is how many points I got. Once I get to 25,000, I'm gonna get a $25 gift card to whatever. Let me show you. So this is just showing all of the stuff that I scanned. So let me go back, and here's the rewards. So as you can see here, this is the when you get 25,000. So I could get the red, whatever that is, 1-800 basket card. 25. These are like e-cards, so you can spend them online, in stores and online. I'm probably gonna get. I might get the Applebees because I can eat. This is in store and online. Or Bahama Breeze. That's in Raleigh. I can go there and eat with my card. Is that in store or online? In the store. Or Baskin Robbins. We love ice cream around here. Bath and Body Works. Y'all know I love Bath and Body Works. I could use it there too. Bed and Bath. I could use it there too. Belk. I like their store. I could use it there. Best Buy. They have good places here that you can, you know, a lot of places. Buffalo Wild Wings. Burger King. Bye Bye Baby. And the more points you get, so say like, let's go back up here. Let's go back. So say like if I save my points, I mean, you could just keep, you know, saving them, or you could start over. So say like if I get up to 50,000 points, then I get a $50 card. So how your points grow is when you refer people. Like if I refer somebody right now, I'll get 4,000 points. So, so it'll tell you what you need to get to, like, let's see, hold on, discover. So it'll tell me if I spend $20 on Unilever, these are all the you. So as I was saying, if I spend $20 on any of these products, I get 5,000 points. So you'll grow. It tell you what you need to get. I'll get 15,000 points if I spend $50 on any of these. Any of these products right here. Any of those, $50. So it'll tell you, you know, what you could do. If you spend $15 at Long John Silver, you get 2,000 points. If you spend, hold on, what's this? If you get a Mountain Dew Spark, $12.50. If you get Airwick, you get 1,500. Gatorade, 1,000. You know, and it goes on and on and on. 2,000 points on this. 2,500 on Brownie Riddle, Bear, stuff like that. So that's what you want to do. So Fetch Rewards. I'm gonna link my code down below. And you guys can, you know, start racking up on your points. Even on gas receipts too. Gas station, convenience stores, get your hair done, your nails done, whatever. Doesn't matter. Restaurants, department stores, maybe, anywhere. So I'm at 18,000 points. I didn't use mine yet. When I get 25, I'll probably go to get the $25 card. Or I might just save it and want to go bigger. So, yeah, you guys. Fetch Rewards. Get with it. Say your girl ain't put you on if you ain't already on. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, so I just got my package that I ordered from Forever 21. And I'm going to show y'all the shirt that I just bought. I bought that shirt over there in that bag from Family Dollar. So I'm about to show y'all what's in here. Alright, so I took it out the package. I got these. These are called high-rise leggings. And they're seamless high-rise leggings. I'll take them out the package in a minute. This is a jean jacket. I need another jean jacket. This is in an extra large. This is in a 1X. I will link them both down below as well. So let me pull these out of the package and then I'll show you the shirt. I hope the shirt match. I kind of just went off of what I thought would match with it, because I didn't have the pants with me in a store, or you know, I looked at a picture of the model wearing it and I was like, maybe that'll match. So let's see. Okay, so these are the high-rise legging. They're like a like a mint green color. I said they were high-waisted. The high-waisted ones were sold out. So these are what are they called? High rise. And I don't think this is the seamless ones either. I'm not sure. But I'll link it. It has a cute little side details on it. I don't know if you can really see the color now. I don't want you guys to see me because I just got out the shower. So this is the color right there, like a minty green. And I hope they fit me because I don't know, it's an extra large and I wanted a 1X but they didn't have it. Oh yeah, this go together good. Yeah, that do go together. I did good. Okay. So I got this from Family Dollar. MTV shirt. Super t-shirt. Super cute. It's kind of big. But hey, sometimes we gotta wear a shirt big, right? Still rock it. So yeah, it do go together. Okay. I was like, let me find a shirt. And I didn't want to go all over. And I wanted to wear this today. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it today, though. Kind of tired. I'm going to go out to eat with the kids, though. So this shirt was only $9. And that's from Family Dollar. He ain't really have no other shirts, but it still look good. I don't know if them leggings going to fit me. I'm going to try it. So I'm going to show y'all this. Let me open it. Okay, so this is like a crop jacket. It's the sleeves, Forever 21. It zips up, it has a tie around the hood, you know, could string it up. It's crop. You know, it's like a crop jean jacket. Super cute for, you know, like little cool spring day. So that's what it looks like. I can't hold it up too much because I'm not dressed. So, but yeah, has a little detailing on the sides. It's really cute. 2 pockets on the front. Zip up. And that side of the back look like that. And it has a hood. So it's cute. I thought it was cute. You know, I like my jean jacket stuff. Because I just bought those jeans sneakers. I don't know if this match. This is the type of jean that match, but my other jacket definitely matches. Is more like a blue, so I have to match it up with those Calvin Kleins. But yeah, so that's it. I won't be wearing a jacket today unless it cool off, or tonight unless it cool down. But other than that, because it's 83 degrees right now. But yeah, super cute, and that's what I got from Forever 21. This and that, I'll link it below. Yeah, I got on my shirt, the pants, and there's the bag that I'm wearing with it. I'm on my way to pick up my son from the basketball court so we can go to Applebee's. Hope he ain't walking now. I'm going all the way over there. I try to call him, he ain't answer. But yeah, this is what's going on. Match up pretty good, right? Looking at my son, he need to come home out here. Neat plan. Well, I'm ready to go eat. He gotta come home. He really gotta come home. His sister is hungry. I know he see me out here.